Princess out. We have Bold Lucky. Pass to begin. Rushing a body outside now is Latin Music to take the lead. It's now Latin Music by about 2 lengths. Bold Lucky in the middle. Running by the rail is Mighty Might. Alongside Port comes Extreme Power. Rosig is racing in fifth. Down on the inside, Guided Missile. Moving up in the middle, Gold Color. Iotero comes next. Princess Sarah, Mika's Pride. Down on the inside, Beautiful Gem. Heart Top Dominic. Second last is Selectia. While Trouble Master is racing in last. As they swing down the bank, Latin Music by about 3 lengths. Bold Lucky still in second. And in third, Mighty Might alongside Extreme Power. Moving a party outside, Mika's Pride. Gold Color, Guided Missile. Also coming into the picture, Rosy Giotero, Selective, Beautiful Gem, Princess Zara, Heart of Dominic, and Trouble Master. We have Latin Music just in front by only a length. Then here comes Extreme Power moving a party outside. Guided Missile on the outside. Latin Music, Guided Missile is on the outside. Bold Lucky, Mika's Pride. But it's still Latin Music by about 3 lengths over Guided Missile. And finally, Latin Music, Guided Missile, Gold Color, Iotero.
So yung outstanding favorite natin dito sa ating race number 5, Latin Music, ang unang tumawid at sumigundo nga yung Guided Missile. Nakita mo ba yung panganim?
Hindi ko rin napansin dahil tinitignan ko yung dividendo kanina. Anyway, ito yung quarters 13, 25, 26, finishing at 27.5. 131.4 ang preba ni Latin Music. That's Jackie K. Malapira. Second win niya for today. Kanina kay Spark.